Getting started by unrolling a crescent dough sheet right here into my baking dish. Then I'm just gonna take a minute to quickly push that all down just so it's all on the bottom of the baking dish. Okay, that is perfect. Once you have that like that, you wanna slide that over and bring in your bowl. We're gonna add some sweetened condensed milk to that. Now, I really do like this Carnation one. It is a little bit on the thicker side. I noticed that the brands definitely have different texture. Do you have a favorite one that you like to use over there? We're gonna do Carnation today. I really enjoy a little bit of that thicker one in what we're making here now. Then you're gonna grab 2 8-ounce blocks of room temperature cream cheese and a little bit of lemon juice. Here we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. If you use fresh lemons, that's totally fine too. You would probably need at least about 2 to 3 fresh lemons. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it pretty easy here today, just using the juice. Then you're gonna give yourself a minute to mix it all together so that cream cheese is nice and smooth in with that sweetened condensed milk. And you'll notice that it'll start to thicken up and it is going to almost be like a creamy custard style. Fabulous. If you have not tried this, you need to try it. So good. Oh, I can smell that lemon. Oh, it reminds me of summertime. Yummy. Look at how creamy and smooth that looks. Oh, that looks so good. I cannot wait to take back this crescent sheet and just layer this creamy goodness right on top. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna plop out all of this mixture. Look at that. Look at how silky smooth that looks, you guys. When you have that sweetened condensed milk with that lemon juice, it starts to get like a custard style. And then we have that cream cheese, which we are just taking it up a notch, doing like a lemon cream cheese filling. Look at that, wow. Oh my gosh. I know I keep saying that, but it's because I'm just seeing how silky smooth this is, and I can smell the lemon, and I know that this crescent dough is just gonna get golden brown, and as this bakes together, it's gonna be off the wall amazing, and it's super easy because we only have a couple ingredients that we're using today. That's it. That's my favorite part. Now we're gonna grab another roll of that crescent sheet here, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna undo that, and we're gonna bring that sheet right back in, and we're gonna layer it on top of this filling. So we have sandwiched in that lemon cream cheese filling there with 2 delicious pieces of crescent dough. Yeah, you better believe it. And then we're gonna top it off even more with some melted butter. You guys, we are not messing around today. So check this out. We have cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice. That's it for the filling. Then we have the crescent dough, and now we're brushing it with butter. We are making an extremely fabulous dessert today that really is perfect for the summertime. I mean, anytime, but I feel like lemon just reminds me of the sweet summertime. And I think that you guys are really going to enjoy this, and it is so easy to whip together. So I'm just kind of like saturating this top in the butter because I don't care if it's gonna drip down and go on the inside. So I'd say, 2 tablespoons of butter, maybe more. It depends if you're gonna go crazy like me. I'm just gonna pour the rest of it on there because I'm feeling a little buttery today. I'll tell you what. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for between 30 and 35 minutes. As soon as it's done, you're gonna wanna take it out and let it cool down. It is worth the wait, and then stick around because when we slice into this, you are really gonna love it. I just guarantee. Wow, check this out. This really is perfection, and then I let it cool down, but look at that golden brown crust. Everything is tucked in there, that creamy center filling, and I'm gonna add some powdered sugar right on top. If you watch this, this is my handy dandy, my little, do you know what this is? It's a tea strainer, right? So I love using it for my powdered sugar. It works perfectly. And then we don't need all the extra gadgets, sometimes we just get too much stuff. I'm loading it up with powdered sugar because I really, really want there to be a lot of powdered sugar on top. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna try to cut a big piece all the way across here. Oh, this looks so good. And then I'm gonna try to cut just like that. Ooh, this is looking really good. I can see the inside. Oh my gosh. That lemon.
It's a big piece.
I'm gonna share it with you.
Oh.
You want some?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I think I'm gonna come in from this side. Look at that. Oh, look at that right there. Tell me that does not look delicious. Look at that cream layer in the center and that powdered sugar with that golden brown crust there. Oh my gosh, look at 360 view here. Look at that. Woo! Tell me, it needed a moment because this is really impressive right here. I am so excited about this, and I'm gonna have David come over here and give it a try if you want. Do you want some of this? Because
Absolutely.
I think you're really gonna like it. All right, come on over here. I already know this is gonna be fantastic. So we're gonna have a little before dinner treat. How does that sound? We'll eat from the same plate. This is it's like a date.
Never skip dessert, they say.
Okay. Oh, look at that creamy inside.
Ready.
Okay, ready, go.
Wow.
That's amazing. Wow, it's like a delicious Danish on like steroids. The crescent dough. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can have the rest. I have the rest of the pan. Wow, the crescent dough is absolutely perfect. Look at that bottom. You don't have to worry. It gets all done. The bottom gets done. The top gets done. Perfect. And then the inside, as soon as you let it cool down, it gets a little bit, thicker. The consistency, everything stays together, and it's so creamy. It is so refreshing. Just the right amount of lemon. You can't go wrong with this one, you guys. Let me know what you think about this. If you're gonna change it up in any ways, we'll have that recipe for you down in the comments. We'll see you guys later. I hope you're having a great summer. Enjoy.